Today is a big day in healthcare because William Osler Health System has launched, they have launched official launch of Research Institute in Health Innovation. मतलब हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਹੈਲਥ ਇਨੋਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਇੰਸਟੀਚਿਊਟ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਲਾਂਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਔਸਲਰ ਦਾ ਆ ਇੱਕ ਗੇਮ ਚੇਂਜਿੰਗ ਹੈ ਗੇਮ ਚੇਂਜਿੰਗ ਮੀਨਸ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਟੈਕਨੋਲੋਜੀ ਐਂਡ ਇਨੋਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੈਲਥ ਕੇਅਰ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਔਰ ਉਹ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਹੈ ਸਾਡੇ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਸੋ ਇਟਸ ਅ ਬਿਗ ਡੇ ਐਂਡ ਐਵਰੀ ਈਅਰ they will be celebrating this week as a research week. So let's see the full report. Dr. Martino, such a great initiative and this research institute, what does that mean for the Osler?
Well, I think if we look at the academic health center, our evolution to an academic health center, research and academics really are one of the most important pillars of that evolution for William Osler Health System. I think the importance for our community is the type of research we're going to do. It will be looking at innovation, not technological innovation alone, but also health system innovation, innovation in population health. What is the fabric of this community? What is it that this community needs? And we know it is about diabetes. It's about heart disease, cardiovascular disease. It is about providing the health infrastructure to deal with a growing and diverse population. Identifying, the personalization, as Dr. Chima said, of the future of healthcare. When you develop a cancer, how do we personalize the care for you? And this will come from the scholarly work that will evolve through research.
So with this research institute, will it change the parameters of the healthcare system? So more innovation and more technology and more research?
Yeah, innovation, technology, research are what inspire clinicians to do things better, to evolve. We didn't have vaccinations 100 years ago. And if you were to look at the one discovery that had a huge impact on humanity, it was vaccination. And we've evolved that to the point now that the methods we use to develop vaccinations are far evolved and far more advanced than they were 50 years ago. I think we can say the same about cardiovascular research. We can say the same about cancer research, about infectious disease, pediatrics, every area and facet of medicine. We have about 50 areas of research here at Osler, and we will evolve those with our partners, TMU and the other universities, community colleges. I think that will be extremely important for this community, for the residents here, for the young high school students that want to have a career in health sciences, in research, in providing clinical care to patients. It's very exciting.
Very nice. So we are also celebrating the week for this,
yes,
right?
The Celebrate Research Week 2024, and trust me, there'll be Celebrate Research Week 2025, 2026 and onward. It gives us an opportunity to showcase what we do and what we hope to do in collaborative partnerships with a number of organizations.
With this great decision, you want to give any message to the residents of Peel region?
Well, I think what I'd like to say is please come if you can. Visit our 3 facilities. Experience Celebrate Research Week 2024. Support research within your community. And if you're a young student, whether you're in high school or university or in college, please consider research as a focus for your future.
Thank you, Dr. Martin. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dr. Chima, what does that mean that innovation in the healthcare system and research institute is already launched now? What does that mean in the healthcare?
So this was a historic day here at William Osler Health System that we launched our Research Institute. Here at Osler, we've really been committed to research already for many years now. I'm the head of cancer research, so we've been doing cutting-edge cancer research for many years with clinical trials, getting innovative drug treatments earlier to patients, and also doing genetic testing on patients' tumor. We're global leaders already in that. But this Research Institute now gives us a face to be able to recognize the work that's being done here and take us to the next level. And really it's about care for our patients, because we strongly believe that research makes us better. It improves access to therapies, it develops quality in the work that we do.
सो जो रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट है अकेला कैंसर का रिसर्च है कि ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਬਾਕੀ ਵੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਡਾਇਬਟਿਕ ਸਾਊਥ ਏਸ਼ੀਅਨਸ ਨੂੰ ਡਾਇਬਟਿਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਇਦਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਐਲੀਮੈਂਟਸ ਹੈਗੀਆਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਵੀ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੋਏਗਾ
Absolutely. So the Research Institute encompasses all areas of medicine. And I specifically look at cancer research, but we have a growing field of cardiology, infectious diseases, type 2 diabetes, endocrinology. All of this research will be under the Research Institute. And by having the Institute, we're going to be able to get engage researchers to come to Osler and do the work here.
So this means a lot for the residents of Peel. Any message you want to give to the Peel residents?
This is a historic day for our whole community. By having a research institute, this is going to be better healthcare, better access to novel therapies, and I encourage everybody to ask their physicians, how can I get involved?
Okay, so research, technology and innovation, that means a lot in the healthcare system. And as we know that in Canada, we need more advancement in the healthcare, and which is here, the Research Institute is here now. So every year they will be celebrating this week as a celebration of the Research Week.
I really hope they do, because then every year we can highlight all the tremendous transformations that we've done. And it's big projects like large global clinical trials, to even just quality initiatives that really make the patient's day-to-day journey better. And so all of that types of research can fall under the Research Institute, and I'm hopeful every year we'll be able to highlight all of that and share back to the community.
And if in the end you want to tell about your role here in the Osler, which department you are in?
So I'm part of the oncology research program. I'm the head of cancer research. I'm also the medical director of Care Cancer program. And oncology research is integrated. It's part of our culture. It's part of our work. So when we come to work, we see our patients, but we also say what clinical trials opportunities for all patients have, what quality initiatives, how can we make the care better?
Thank you, Dr. Chin.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm just so delighted and honored to be here as part of such a special day, launching our Research Institute here at Osler. The reason why this day is so important is because many families like mine have been impacted by cancer and other disease states. And while we give tremendous care here at Osler, clearly the future and the hope is research, innovations, doing things such like Dr. Chima is doing here to take away the whole issue so that some generation does not have to deal with cancer at all. And that's a bold thing to say, but this is a bold Research Institute. It's a bold and really exciting day for Osler, and I couldn't be more honored on behalf of the Osler Foundation to be a part of it.
Well, here in the city of Brampton today at Brampton Civic Hospital, we're celebrating Research Week. You may not realize this, but out of Osler, 500 research projects have been undertaken over the last 10 years, looking at how we can better combat disease and illness. And as part of the celebration of our incredible researchers, today we're hearing a speech from Dr. Chima, who is one of the leading cancer researchers in the country. So there's lots of great things happening in Brampton, and we celebrate the incredible, tireless work of our scientific research and medical research community.
Hi, my name is Tiziana Rivera. I'm the Executive Vice President for Quality of Research and Chief Nursing Executive at William Osler Health System. Today, we are absolutely excited to welcome staff, physicians, volunteers, and of course our community to William Osler as we officially launch our Research Institute. And it's ORIHI, Osler Research Institute for Health Innovation. And we, to honor this launch, we've had Mayor Brown here and council members who have proclaimed this week as Celebrate Research Week within Brampton and our region. It is so important to have an institute, a one umbrella right here in Brampton that supports research, innovation, and application of research into practice. This will house our researchers all under one umbrella, provide them with the resources and the support that they need to do cutting edge research right here in our city. We're looking to connect with our academic partners like our TMU Medical School and nursing schools so that they have a place where they can develop their research skills under the support of our qualified researchers. And during this week, we have many opportunities for our community to come in and participate and be part of our community events, educational sessions all week long. Please check our website for dates and times and activities that are available to you. So thank you.
ਅੱਜ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਹਿਸਟੋਰਿਕ ਦਿਨ ਹੈਗਾ। ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਕਰਨਜੋਤ ਭਾਟੀਆ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਐਡਵਾਈਜ਼ਰੀ ਕਮੇਟੀ ਦਾ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦਿਨ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਪੂਰੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਹਿਸਟੋਰਿਕ ਦਿਨ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਬੜਾ ਇਕੱਠ ਹੋਇਆ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਵੱਖਰੇ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਡਾਕਟਰਸ ਔਰ ਰਿਸਰਚਰਸ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਔਰ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਇੰਸਟੀਟਿਊਟ ਓਸਲਰ ਹੈਲਥ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਇੰਸਟੀਟਿਊਟ ਲਾਂਚ ਹੋਇਆ ORIHI ਤੇ ਇਸ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਇੰਸਟੀਟਿਊਟ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਪਰਪਸ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ 'ਚ ਰਹੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਪਣੀ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਬੈਟਰ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇੰਪਰੂਵ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੇਸ਼ੈਂਟਸ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕੇਅਰ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਕਲੋਸਰ ਟੂ ਹੋਮ ਮਿਲੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਫਰੈਂਕ ਮਾਰਟੀਨੋ ਦੇ ਰਿਮਾਰਕਸ ਤੋਂ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਐਮਫੈਸਿਸ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਹੈ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ। ਮੇਅਰ ਪੈਟਰਿਕ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਵੀ ਆਏ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਿ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਦੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਅਹਿਮੀਅਤ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰਤ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹੈਗੀ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਐਸਪੈਕਟਸ ਲਈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਰੈਂਪਟਨ ਐਂਡ ਰੀਜਨ ਆਫ ਪੀਲ ਕੈਨ ਬਿਕਮ a hub for innovation, health innovation and in the medical field. So today is a historic day ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਫਾਊਂਡੇਸ਼ਨ ਸੈੱਟ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਾਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਮੈਡੀਕਲ ਰਿਸਰਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਨਵੈਸਟ ਕਰੀਏ ਹੋਰ ਫੋਕਸ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੀ ਗ੍ਰੈਜੂਏਟਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਹੀ ਰਿਸਰਚਰਸ ਸਾਡੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਬੈਨੀਫਿਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਣ।